as a young father. Guys, so today I'll be a father for the day. I'm gonna strap on my baby.
No, I forgot over your head. Put in your hand then. Put your hand in. So, put in your hand now. It's like I put on slow.
There's a lot of struggles there. I catch practice. Try them down now.
You don't have to go heavy tongue all type of stuff.
And Jesus. Don't it. Yeah.
I up too much.
Can't do it too.
I don't think you can go more.
Come. Hey. Keep your arm. The safety. I'm just off for avocado seat. I'm just off for avocado seat.
Let's drop on him. Then pacify upon him. Somewhere. Because the money I'm the bag. I got tea for drink.
So guys, this is my baby for the day. Say hi to Tamia.
No need for walk with the bag.
All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
So guys, this is a nice clean baby father. This is an up view. Baby. Say hi. So we're going on a stroll now. We got road. So guys, I'm going to be a proper baby father for the day. So come along with me. See my look. I'm here, I start here, so I have to do commission for you already. Guys, so we're out for a stroll. Something. The place nice, like I want for construction and going or something. But I have to make sure it's alright. You know? So come along with us while we go out. So maybe I catch up a little refreshment. It's a struggle. Don't it my boy. Don't it. Guys, it's like them as a son of pelt, I have my child, so I have to up and take him out of the sun because it's not gonna work. Not gonna work at all. I mean I wear full black. So guys, we're in New Kingston. We're doing like an excursion. So me as a baby father for the day, Baby fit me still. Think he must sleep. So we're walking away, you know, strolling. But me are walking at the shade because I don't want him to get sunburn or something. Just met some lovely security a while ago. I want my baby, don't it? They're so nice though. As a baby father, I get privilege, you know. Don't it? So we're shopping now. We want some balloons. We want to look at gift ideas for my supervisor. You guys don't know for me I start life soon. It's 2,000, this is 3,000. So much. Yeah man. I don't know what this put me to buy it. Oh, this is a little box. This is nice, huh? You know, in a basket. And next week, start at a picnic. Color coded picnic.
Some people now go get to come.
You want picnic? So? Is that basket right?
No. Guys, so we're looking for balloons. Ooh. These are all purple. Okay, look. Which one? We'll have that pink there already.
Are this the balloon them in?
Let's mix it. So guys, we're going with these. Guess what? For Ari, guys, as a baby father for the day. No, it's not.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Let's smell it. It is there, but it's faint. Why should put that so much can wow? So, what should I put it back? No, put it back. Guys, what I noticed with my baby, him just jump up in him sleep like him frightened. Sometimes you know you have to hug him up and just stroke him up. Eh? Then I see my baby asleep with a mood nice. You're in a public mall. Why you shout up and go answer? I'm like a baby asleep. See him like a face there? See him? Oh. Look a face. I'm asleep. As a young father. See look a face? See look a face?
Sure. It's giving.
So him weird. Just a little tip. That look on there. So he's awake.
Tell me what you see in me.
Same face here.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for
Nana, dance.
patience. It's nothing.
Go there, Nana. Go there. Go there. Go there. Go there. Go there.
Arguing with the phone, trifling, difficult. No, I don't know.
Alright, puppy. So guys, we just come down with an Azan. Watch him look a face. Watch him look a face. Watch him look a face. So we're looking for gift ideas. So we've been to Woolworth, we've been to a pharmacy, and now Azan's.
One like from on Amazon to pick me.
Oh, the little waffle one there. You know, one place at Portmore has. So we're there at shop. We're enjoying ourselves.
Stop pushing me, man.
So guys, me just did I get like a schooling from my father's ship. I'm a father for the day now. So, yeah. Yeah. And you see me the little Kieran and them something there? How weak. Don't it. I practice it.
Come on, sir.
Yeah.
We need something to put where I get back to.
Guys, them bam rush me. Or somebody else can be so careless. For true. For true. Forgive my baby. No.
One man, just walking at one step.
Yeah.
One step. One. Oh, yes, a giant travel for that was what it was.
Oh.
I'm going to go so. Just what's one thing I say, man?
Woo! And something. 146. See me getting feeding there. Don't it. Don't it. So guys, this is the ending of me being a father for the day. And I rub him eye. Tell him bye bye.
Sweetie.
Tam tam.
You, babe. I want this. I want it to feel so bad. But I feel it in my chest at night. I want it. I want it. Yeah. Love, love, fall out of love. True.
Sure.